अभी बताओ क्या बोल रही थी?
मैंने सुना है बाबा जी आपकी आपसे मतलब आपकी जो आपसे अगर हम कुछ भी मांगेंगे आपसे कुछ प्रे करते हैं तो आपकी जो हम आपसे मांगते हैं तो वो पूरा हो जाता है।
नहीं, आपने किससे सुना?
ये मैंने सुना है मतलब ऐसे बोलते हैं काफ़ी लोग बोलते हैं।
अच्छा, अभी क्या मांगना चाह रहे हो आप?
मैं गवर्नमेंट जॉब मांगना चाहती हूँ।
महादेव शंभू जय शंकर। देखो अगला वीडियो देखो, उसमें देखते हैं प्रभु की
मिल
क्या
जाएगा।
इच्छा है, ईश्वर की परमात्मा की क्या इच्छा है,
हाँ जी।
और माता रानी आपकी सभी इच्छा पूर्ण करे, सभी देवी देवता आपकी इच्छा पूर्ण करे। महादेव शंभू जय शंकर, नमो नारायण, हर हर महादेव। जस्ट ओपन द यूट्यूब, ओपन द माइक। अतुल बाबा, जस्ट से अतुल बाबा।
अतुल बाबा।
इट्स ऑन द टॉप ऑफ द सर्च। तो वो वीडियो की आपकी आज शाम तक मैं एडिटिंग करके डाल दूँगा।
श्योर, थैंक यू।
गॉड ब्लेस। आपके हस्बैंड कहाँ गए?
हाँ जी, और
चलो वो मत रख देंगे, उनको बोलिएगा दिखाइएगा चैनल एक बार। आप कहाँ से हैं वैसे?
दिल्ली से।
विच प्लेस इन दिल्ली?
पालम बिहार।
ओल्ड न्यू पालम में आप तो उधर
पालम
पड़ता
और
है,
उधर पड़ता है,
गुड़गांव
पहले
के
द्वारका में
पास,
रहता था,
गुड़गांव के
अभी
पास। ठीक है, क्या करते हैं आप? मल्टीनेशनल कंपनी में?
हाँ जी,
कौन सी कंपनी?
मैं हूँ चेन्नई।
अच्छी बात है। हस्बैंड?
हस्बैंड भी होना।
अच्छी बात है। चलो गॉड ब्लेस बोथ ऑफ यू। सतनाम श्री भाई, वाहिगुरु दा खालसा ते वाहिगुरु दी फतेह। Actually means friend.
Friend?
Friend for
Khaver.
friend. Khaver.
Khaver.
Khaver is friend.
Actually, is my brother.
Actually is my brother. Khavel is my friend. Khavel.
Yes.
Khavel.
Yes.
And Khavel. Khavel is actually is my brother. Khavel is
Friend.
friend.
Khaver. Khaver.
Khaver.
Khaver.
Khaver.
Khaver. Yes.
Khaver.
It's good for you? You like these words?
Khaver. I love all words. I love all words.
So everyone, Khaverim.
Everyone Khavarim. Everyone Khavarim. Everyone Khavarim.
Have a nice day.
You too, man. How you can say in Hebrew language, have a nice day.
Yom tov lekulam.
Yom Tov Le Yokal. Yom
Yom tov lekulam.
Yom Yom Tov Le Yokam.
Kulam.
Kulam. Yom
Kulam.
Kulam.
Yom tov lekulam.
Yom Tov Le Kulam. Yom Tov Le Kulam. Yom Tov Le Yom Tov Le Kulam. Yom Tov Le Kulam.
Veyala Poel.
Ve'ala Poel. Ve'ala Poel. Ve'ala Poel.
Okay? You're my brother. I go away.
Your wish. Your wish, bro.
Have a nice day.
You too. I am sitting with one celebrity who is come from which country are you from?
From Russia.
And Russia, and she's a
He's
very
a celebrity.
no, I am not a celebrity. She's an international celebrity because she's many people say you feel when you are coming in India, so many people looks you like this. So
They asking one pic.
that's why you are there. All the people are asking one big. So every buddy need a picture with the celebrity. Can I make one picture with you?
Yes.
Thank you, my dear celebrity. So nice of you. And can you please tell me with how we say friends? Can you translate? How are you in? How do you say how are you in Russian language?
Как дела?
Как дела?
Как дела?
And what is the reply of как дела?
Хорошо. If you are
Хорошо.
fine, you can say
Хорошо.
хорошо.
If I am not fine, then what do I say?
Плохо.
Loha.
Плохо.
Bloha. Bloha is not fine. And if I am asking someone, hey, what's your name? How you translate in?
Как тебя зовут?
Как дела зовут?
Как тебя зовут?
Как тебя зовут?
Perfect.
Thank you very much. Как тебя зовут?
Саша.
Sasha. Меня зовут Артур.
I know,
Sasha.
I know.
Oh wow, thank you, Sasha. And if I am someone, hey, please have a seat. Please.
Садись.
Садись. And please,
Пожалуйста.
пожалуйста, садись.
Yes.
Пожалуйста, садись.
Wow,
Пожалуйста, садись.
perfect.
And if I am asking, please stand up.
Вставай.
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 Вставай. Пожалуйста, пожалуйста,
Вставай.
вставай. Пожалуйста, вставай. Пожалуйста, вставай. Please, пожалуйста, вставай.
Okay.
Пожалуйста, вставай. Пожалуйста, if I am asking someone, please come inside. How I say?
Заходи.
The
Заходи.
the
Заходи. Проходи.
Parkhazi.
Yes.
Parkhazi. Parkhazi is please come inside.
Yes.
Пожалуйста.
Проходи, пожалуйста.
Parkhazi, пожалуйста.
Yes.
Parkhazi, пожалуйста.
Thank you.
Parkhazi, пожалуйста. And one more thing. Parkhazi, пожалуйста.
Проходи,
Which means,
пожалуйста.
and if I'm asking, please, let's go.
Пойдем. Чало, пойдем.
Paidom.
Paidom.
Paidom, chalo.
Yes.
Paidom. And if I'm offering someone, hey, please, would you like to have a coffee or tea with me? So how I can say in Russian language?
Ты хочешь кофе или чай?
Little bit slowly, little bit slowly.
Okay.
Yeah, please.
Хочешь кофе или чай? Хочешь
Kochish,
кофе,
kochish,
кофе или чай?
kochish ili chai,
Yes.
kochish ili chai,
Хочешь кофе или чай?
kochish coffee ili chai,
Yes.
kochish coffee ili chai,
Yes.
kochish
Ah, you
coffee.
asking? No, no, thank you. It's too hot.
And how we say thank you?
Спасибо.
Spasiba. And how we say let's go?
Пойдем.
Paidom, 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 paidom.
Wow, you're so good.
Please. Have seat.
No, I will go. I will eat something.
Okay, how we say I will go, I will eat something?
Я пойду.
Little bit slowly.
Я
Yeah,
пойду.
paidom,
Поем.
payam. Yeah, paidom, payam. Yeah, paidom, payam. Yeah, paidom, payam. Yeah, it means I want to eat something.
Yes.
Yeah, paim, paidum. Yeah,
Пойду.
yeah, paidum.
Пойду. It means I'm going.
I am going.
I will go.
Okay, for taking food.
Yeah.
Okay, so when we meet again?
When we'll meet again?
Yeah.
Today.
Okay, so take good care of yourself. Bye bye. Stay happy. Be blessed.
See you later.
Paka paka.
Пока-пока.
When in the powers came after Saakashvili, there was now it's another leader, right? Merabishvili, and there is this is despicable, that which I am very upset about. There is a lady, Zurabishvili, her name, how's her name? I think Zurabishvili. Anyway, she's not from Georgia. She has been moved, like from childhood, her family and her moved in France, and she was okay. Suddenly, after 2008, she comes to Georgia, takes the passport, and takes the chair of the presidential chair. Which it's not a democracy, right? People could not choose her, right? This is her job. So it is split. So the powers who are like parliament that is there, they are actually in conflict. They can't get rid of her also now. They are very much regretting that they have given her. Actually, not her. Saakashvili did. Saakashvili was already losing position, and he quickly brought her over there. So it was with the friends, all this agenda, and this from friends to. I was for elections. Huh? Yes, but elections, you know what they can do with elections, right? Because it's easy, I'm telling you. You buy, sell people. They did it before. People don't know so much. They don't follow so much. So it's despicable. She is not knowing the land. She does not know. She does not have nothing in Georgian in her. Okay, only language, of course. Language is just obligatory, so that she speaks. And she was growing up in France. France had agenda with all this also, which was happening. And of course, it's obvious that when she came, right, she was like France to occupy through her and rule our opinions and this and where we will go, America or Russia or all safety, security, anything. And Ukraine have not been bothered to much from 90s, okay, to rebuild their strength and in a correct way. They were all the time, all this, deals here like this with the West and everything, and all against like fight with this. And then why we wanted to have to prove something to Russia. Why? Because Russia and Ukraine cannot be separated. its coming roots are from same culture, not same in common. And historically, if people would know the history of Ukraine and Russia, they would not accept that. Yes, yeah, it's just these people. Yeah, demonization. Yeah. America demonization.
Okay, first
of
fill this.
Russia was happening
It's empty.
for the first time. Great, great game of demonization of Russia to influence humanity all over the world, so that they feel this scarcity. Yeah. Yes. See, I was pressure. I did not take that pressure. But I was in India, right, in the times when this 2020 started, and suddenly I started suddenly to realize that they want to attack Russian people suddenly to, I saw this Russia phobia, okay, all this advertising to be scared of them or, all this. I got so furious that I could not be silent. I said, come on, you are crazy or what? I said, people, innocent people, why you want to attack them? Why you want to make for them hardship time? 2020 came, it's a global crisis, everybody are, and you want that so many nations are abroad and all over the world, so much numbers of them. What you gonna do with them? Or kill them or what? What you gonna do with them? Why? So to make that, to create that, pressure on them, and I rebelled. I said,
It's like
I was very,
much
very,
of
very
our Indian
impressed
diaspora
how
of
India
history,
built in
basically.
2020.
It's much like,
And by
if
the
we
way,
take an example of the
I used
Buddhist
to live
monks.
Yep.
in Europe, and there were
Okay,
a
so
lot of
why do we
YouTubers
say,
that
why,
were
like
with me
being a
and
monk,
trying to,
stay in the
they
monastery
gave
up
me a
in the
very hard
mountains?
Yeah,
time.
Gompas
I told-
monasteries.
What are there
Yeah, and I
basically?
did not
What is
care.
their
I
basic
said, it's
basic
my time
contribution to the nature?
Yep.
Okay,
to respond to them.
so just like you said
I
just
was
now,
transacting
like
insane.
India is having a cellular
Nobody-
memory and a
Nobody helped
history of
better than India
being spiritual
in 2020
and
Yeah.
seekers.
crisis.
They're land of seekers.
India is
The
right?
land
so
of
much
seekers. Yep.
So it's like
pressurized from here,
about
from there,
in a,
China,
let's suppose in an ashram of 100 people,
America
even
trying
if
to,
even if 5 to 10 people are
grab it.
spiritually
And
oriented, and
I
90
don't
of them
know,
are not.
to be
Actually, in the
under-
nature of
under
things,
such a-
those 5 to 10
such
people
a
are actually
dark
holding
salad,
the space
okay?
for them.
and
Yeah.
to be so strong
And it's
and to be
applicable
so
for the entire
unshakable
land.
and such a straight, direct,
Now imagine
good choices,
the
good-
Buddhist
very-
monks who are
very
living in
wise
the
choices.
mountains, they are
Well
not
done.
connected to the civilization, right?
Well done.
Yeah.
But yet again, they are holding space so that the nature exists. The
Yeah, it's
nature
correct.
of holding
Yes.
space.
Yep.
And that is so divine in that sense of term.
Yeah, the power of divinity, the power of.
That creates a connection as well.
Yeah, it's great.
And more people gets into that vortex.
Yep.
And
This
what
is
else we
the
can
we
do?
do for the international peace now. We are working. The Indians are working for international peace. The peoples and the all governments and the
Yes,
all
cultivating the peace. and
cultivating the
everything.
peace.
Okay, so
They were
only-
great. 2020, I have been following to see. Of course, I was living over here, and we were traveling, and I am very proud of India. If only people from all over the world knew that 2020 crisis brought massive global mess. We had to go through it. It was anytime, historically comes those times when we need to rebalance the things, and India dealt with it with utmost wisdom, strength, and consideration of everything all over the world.
And my dear friend, my dear teacher, my dear guru, my dear spiritual healer, which chakra we need to activate for all balancing, for balancing?
for balancing,
Yep.
We
it
need to
should come.
declassify first. The first and foremost, because it is like our portals are mental, right?
Yeah.
We create realities through the mental portals. So since we need to clear up our minds from a lot of accumulations from the internet, from all these, devices and everything, and all this
Materialistic.
Yes, it calcifies the pineal gland, which is responsible for the third eye chakra.
That is called the
This
eye
is
chakra.
the first thing. Yes, this is the first thing that people have to purify and have to, in order to begin balancing all the rest of the chakras. The rest of the chakras are balancing also. Whichever, see, there is like this.
So total, how much chakras are there? I think there is. You say told me there is 10.
108 chakras.
108 chakras.
Actually, more. Overall, there are 100. I think 40. I'm not sure. Like, you know, Sadhguru would know.
Sadhguru only, it's
Yeah, it's 108 or 140.
and 7 it's like we
7 is main like a
We say-
map of consciousness.
so that we can
Yeah.
like divide our entire body like
Yes.
that, right from the base.
This is our
Till here.
actually 7 chakras are
It's
all
like that.
7 chakras are correspondent to our even biological system, which is
Yeah.
on the glands, right? Main
So,
gland.
can you tell me about the 7 chakras? Which 6 chakras? Tell the name of the chakras. I'm talking about the name of the chakras.
Okay, so let's start with the basic one. So it's okay in Sanskrit.
No. You can speak in English or Malayalam, whatever language you are prefer. So it's your wish, whichever language you like.
Basic one.
Root chakra,
Yeah, root
basic,
chakra.
which is basic, which is all about our.
Where it is in body
Our-
also, which part of the bit?
It's a basis of spine, right?
Basis of spine.
Yeah.
Yes.
And the root chakra is responsible, of course, for our in evolutionary sense.
In-
Evolutionary sense.
Evolutionary
Is
sense.
everything that it is instinctual, is grounded, everything that is very tangible and grounded, and so
After this,
then it's sacral chakra,
sacral chakra.
which is
Sacral chakra is
Responsible
which part
for
of
emotion.
which part of body?
Sacral chakra is
Above.
basically our like starts from our reproductive system.
Reproductive system.
Yeah,
Responsible
the entire part.
yeah.
Entire part. Which part? This part.
The reproductive
Below-
system is
below
just
the navel.
Below,
Below the.
below the navel.
Okay, this
Our
is the navel.
below
Below the
yeah,
navel.
Yeah,
Okay, this below the navel.
yeah.
Okay,
And,
and
after
this
it's coming this
The
solar plexus
solar
chakra.
plexus.
solar plexus. And the solar plexus is situated in
chakra is responsible for will.
For
and
willpower.
Will and power, yes.
will and power.
And usually,
Usually.
It can be like its usual block is
Okay.
coming from the chain. Usually, when the people even
Yeah,
the
yeah,
posture,
like- yeah,
when
yeah,
they
yeah,
are,
like
yes,
this,
if they will straighten the posture,
Okay.
they will be able to release a lot of toxins
Oh,
just by physical exercise.
okay.
Also,
Yeah.
yes.
That is called.
So
This
Solar-
chakra is called
solar
solar
plexus.
plexus chakra.
Solar
That is called
plexus.
solar plexus chakra, and this is the part of the this part.
yeah,
And also,
a little bit above than
any
around
intestinal,
it.
any
Can you
intestinal
please
And it is
check
it is
mark it
responsible
so
for digestive system.
So basically, the root chakra is over here.
okay, root chakra is over here.
The root chakra.
Okay, this is the root chakra.
Basis of the spine. It
Yeah,
starts
and
from
this-
basis, yes, basis of spine. Like
The base
spine
of the
starts
tailbone,
from
the tailbone.
Yeah.
Can you please?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's like the tailbone.
Okay,
where
this
it
is the
ends.
tailbone of the.
Tailbone.
Okay,
Just beneath it, it's the basis of the root chakra.
that is the
Yeah.
basis of the root chakra.
The root chakra.
Okay.
It's all. And then right below the navel, it's the sacral chakra.
This is the sacral chakra. This
Yeah.
is called sacral chakra.
And I want
Right.
to I want to add up about the now heart system, which is
Okay.
the heart chakra, anahata chakra.
Anahata chakra.
Yes.
This is the heart chakra.
Yes.
It's situated
And,
in the right hand.
Yes, and biologically speaking, when the child
left.
forms, like embryon forms, the first organ that
First organ.
forms is a heart.
Heart.
First organ forms heart. That's why magnitude of the heart is way more profoundly powerful than that of a mind. Electromagnetic field.
Electromagnetic. field.
Yes,
Wow.
that which we call energy, and we feel that when we exchange, we feel certain impact and influence, and this is in our nature, right? In the human nature to exchange and
To exchange.
it's not only human nature, but
With all.
also everything that exists. Yes,
Exists.
coexists. Yes,
Coexists.
it is.
Also because
It
it's our origin, right?
Yeah.
The first thing which happens in our human body when we are taking birth, let's suppose, in the womb, the heart beats fast.
Yep.
Like it's the first thing which happens. It's the origin, the source code. So from there, so you can see, so 1, 2, 3, right? And the heart chakra is in the middle.
Heart chakra is in the
And
middle.
there are more 3 chakras now.
Upper from
Yeah.
the heart chakra there is
So
3 more
that's
chakras.
why the heart chakra is in the middle, okay?
Okay,
So-
that's why the heart chakra is in the middle.
Yeah, and hence
Okay.
we say any blockages in our system, any blockages in our entire body, or any kinds of intestinal problems. Why do I say intestine? Because the large intestine and the small intestine is actually related mostly like solar plexus is basically
as well as the throat chakra also, because throat chakra has the thyroid gland.
Okay, gland.
And the thyroid gland is responsible for the digestion,
Digestion.
for the yes. So basically, if we don't express our life through our real boundaries. Real boundaries means real feelings without hesitation. To be truthful, it gets blocked, and it gets blocked, and then it slows down. The thyroid itself can be possibly slowing down the cycles, and it affects digestive system. It affects all the other
It's
chakras
also
also,
effects on the digestive
and
system.
other chakras also, right? Because
Okay.
they coexist together, and they are not separate, right? They are also, like, let's suppose it's your heart chakra is affected, okay? And this balance, how it happens in the body. One can have a very strong mental body, but very very weak emotional body. Now when I say mental body, emotional body, it is subtler aura of your entire body,
Body.
okay? Entire
Is it
body.
okay?
So
Yeah, of course it is.
yes, and
So
and it's
now we are
ajna.
going for a break. After short break, we will again meet and we can make another part, another series of this
Series,
spiritual
yes.
talking.
Yes,
Am I right?
with great pleasure. There is a lot to
Right,
share.
sir? Right.
Peace of love.
Chicken soup.
Abba.
Osia.
Abba was
Osia.
Alisa.
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 Alisa. Alisa.
Alisa.
Alisa.
Alisa.
Alisa.
Я про WhatsApp.
Yeah, that's why I'm telling you. You can take. I am giving you a number. You just add with your own language, or you can give me your number with your code of Russia code. Before the number, we need a code of country. So you can add in my mobile number with your Russian code, or you can take my number with Indian code. Depends how you can feed which SIM you are using. Your SIM is using Russian SIM, or you are using an Indian SIM. Ooh.
Потом, ладно.
Потом.
Лечо.
Send billet. Patol. What is this? I am not getting. What is this? I'm not getting this.
Вот здесь, вот здесь, вот здесь. Что это не понимаю, что это не понимаю, что это не понимаю,
Sto in Paiti Maya. Sto in Paiti Maya.
что не понимаю, что не понимаю.
Sto.
Что не понимаю,
Sto ni payo mayo.
не понимаю.
Sto ni.
Что не понимаю, не
Sto ni
понимаю.
ni penny mayo.
Не понимаю.
Sto ni sto.
Что не понимаю,
Sto ni. Sto ni.
что не понимаю.
Sto ni pe.
Понимаю.
Pa. Yo. Sto ni.
Что не понимаю.
Sto ni pani mayo. Sto ni pani mayo.
Ля-ля.
Sto ni.
Что ты?
Story pani mayo.
Что не понимаю.
Stony pani mayo. Stony pani mayo. Stony pani. So you also come and join our laughter classes, my dear friends. It's now going on in Goa, Arambol. So you also come and join our laughter yoga classes, advanced level workshop classes and events. Thank you, brothers, friends, family. Like this. You can do this also. You can repeat it.
У нас в России тоже преподают эту йогу.
Yep. You. Which yoga?
Я хожу просто туда.
Ja, Hajo Prostuda. Ja, Hajo Prostuda. Ja, Hajo Prostuda. Ja, Hajo Prostuda.
Я ходила пару раз на йогу с ним.
Wow! Wow! How you can start from laughter yoga? Can you start here laughter yoga session?
No,
No?
no.
Later.
See,
Yep.
I'm bullied.
When you are going?
Pa-
Pa 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 pa
pa-
pa 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 pa
pa-
pa pa
Полием.
Palia
Полием.
Palia
Полием.
Palalim Beach. So ready for shoot Palalim Beach. We will be meet there as soon as possible. Say bye.
Пока. Bye.
Пока.
До свидания.
До свидания.
YouTube going Abba.
Olisa.
Alisa.
Alisa.
Abba.
Artist from Russia.
Russia.
And the audition is going on. You are also welcome for Paradise International Film Academy for our upcoming web series, which is as soon as possible on platforms, OTT platforms, and the audition is going on. You can also join our is this international auditions. Yakshe.
Jak się nazywasz?
Yaksha Nazivyas. It means what's your
What's your name?
okay? And Yakshamas.
How are you?
And if I am asking someone, please have a seat. How I say?
Proszę usiąść. Albo, or, siadaj kurwa.
Shade
Kurwa.
Kurwa.
Yeah.
It means,
that's a bad word. That's a bad word.
Shade Kurwa.
It's like, sit the fuck down.
If I am respected,
Yeah.
I'm giving the respect to someone. Hey, please have a seat.
Proszę usiąść.
Proszę.
Proszę usiąść.
Proszę is please.
Ha.
Proszę usiąść.
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 Ha.
Proszę usiąść. Proszę
Usiąść.
usiąść.
Ha.
Proszę usiąść.
Ha.
Proszę usiąść.
Proszę usiąść. She's away with you.
Yeah, we've been together.
Yakshamas.
Dobrze. A ty?
What is
And
the
you. That's it.
what is the reply of
A ty? Oh, dobrze.
Dobza?
Dobrze.
Dobza. And how you say, what's your name?
Jak się nazywasz?
Yakshe Nazivayash.
Gabrysia.
Gabresha.
A ty jak się nazywasz?
Yakshe Nazivayash.
Apko. You. Name.
How I can reply in Polish language? Huh?
Your
Just say your
name.
name.
I know my name, but if I'm asking,
Nazywam się.
Nazywam się Atul Baba.
Atul Baba.
You
Very-
speak
very-
good Polish.
Thank you, my dear friend. Where you get these tattoos?
In my country.
Can you please show me the? Wow. What is it? Sun or what
Is
is
it
this?
moon?
Wow. And you have many tattoos. Can you show me? Wait a minute. The camera is not proper working. So what is this? Can you please? What this?
Oh, this is Japanese mask
Okay,
and
and
a
this-
rose.
this-
This
this-
is spider.
This is spider.
Just a spider.
And trust no one. Yup. And this no goats. Good.
Yeah.
And what is this?
This is just a.
Wow. And
I have a rabbit
wow.
and I have a butterfly.
This is butterfly.
Yeah.
So all are beautiful. The all tattoos are beautiful. Have a
Thank
good day.
you.
Stay
You
happy.
too.
Be blessed. 10,000. We are reaching to 10,000, my dear. और अभी 9,999 में मैंने फोटो क्लिक करके रखा है और 10,000 होने में सिर्फ एक सब्सक्राइबर की जरूरत है दोस्तों. एक सब्सक्राइबर होते पूरे 10,000 सब्सक्राइबर हो जाएंगे यार. और all thanks all of you, all subscribers, all devotees, all friends, all artists, all stars, all celebrities, all team members, all crew members जिन्होंने अभी तक पैराडाइज इंटरनेशनल फिल्म एकेडमी में प्रोडक्शन प्री प्रोडक्शन शूट्स के अंदर काम किया और आपकी ट्रॉफीज़ आपके सर्टिफिकेट्स वो रेडी हैं दिल्ली के अंदर. मुझे सिर्फ जाना है जाती वो आपके रेडी जो भी विनर्स होंगे उनकी उनके सर्टिफिकेट्स और ट्रॉफीज़ और अवार्ड्स और पार्टीज़ वो कंटिन्यू आप चलते रहेंगे और देखते रहेंगे।